What's up? I adjusted my sprayer. No more tails. All right, let's get it.
Get it. Get it. Get it. Morning, guys. Welcome back. We are going to start priming this place today. I'm tossing the roller. I'm going to end up spraying. I got my Graco sprayer here, or sorry, Magna. Yeah, Graco. What is it? Graco. I usually use it for bigger jobs. I was just going to roll this one, but yeah, I rolled the ceiling yesterday and I said screw it. I got to get this done quickly too, so tomorrow the homeowner can start painting. I got to get this on and dry 2 coats by the end of today. I like to get a nice heavy coat on and try not to get no lines or anything. And yeah, it's looking good. So I'm going to do 1 more coat of the ceiling and then 2 coats of the walls. The first coat of the walls, I'm going to just coat it like I would, and then the next time I'm going to tape off the windows and spray the windows as well. I'll do about 2 hours in between. I just live next door, so I'll get the fan in here and the dehumidifier again. It'll dry it out pretty quick. All right, we'll set you up, and it'll be easier to do this while I'm spraying. So I'll leave you guys on for it.
I just turned the furnace off and adjusted my sprayer. No more tails. All right, let's get it. right, guys. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah. It's all sprayed on. I'm gonna let it dry up. We're gonna get a fan in here. Then I'll come back in a little while and do it again. That should be it.
What's going on, guys? I just stepped home while that room air's out. I have the dehumidifier going and the fan as well. I'm gonna give it a couple hours, go back there. Yeah, I went to grab my GoPro and now the stand broke, the tripod. First one ever. One down, who knows how many to go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna catch up with you. I don't know if I have anything on my face. Yeah, that mask helps a lot. It filters out all the yuckies. To a degree, I guess. I have to see what I look like when I'm editing. Ooh. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Get it. Alright guys, I'm back in the unit here. Turn this off. Alright, so I've left here about, I don't know, an hour ago. It's still a little bit wet. The thing with spraying is that when you spray, the bare drywall gets like a fur to it, so I may just leave this a little while longer. Have to come back and sand it. I have like a big sander I use on a stick. It's looking good. You can kind of see, I don't know if you can see, still damp here. I don't want to hit it again when it's wet. Yeah. I could probably work on the windows. If I sand the windows. We'll try that. Maybe I'll get to the windows. Like I said, my tripod broke, so I don't know how I'm going to do this with you guys. We'll figure it out. I have other things, but... Oh, I got a small one. Maybe I'll grab the small one. Alright, I'll be back. Hey guys, alright, I'm all set up to spray again. I get the first coat of primer on the windows there too. They're looking nice. I'm going to, I won't film this one. I'm just going to shoot it quick and then I got a good first layer on, so this one will be like a it'll be quicker, more light of a coat, just anything that I see that's not coated. I don't know if you guys can see, like here. It's kind of like a lighter coat there, so yeah, I'm gonna go around, do a little sanding where I gotta sand, and shoot it again. Get back to you when I'm done. Get it! Get it! Get it! So, I've done the other spray. It's still wet in some areas, but that's the gist of it. Looks really good. Everything's drying off nicely. And yeah, I'm gonna leave this fan going with the dehumidifier overnight, and the customer's gonna be painting here tomorrow, and yeah, I got it all over me. He'll be painting tomorrow through the weekend. Yeah, he just wants to save a couple bucks, I guess, but regardless, it's primed, ready to go. I'm just going to be popping back in the pot lights so I can get the lights back on, and just cleaning up, getting my stuff in here. He's going to use the table too to paint some trim, I think. So next thing for me here will be Monday. So I had the day off tomorrow, but still have something to do. And Monday I'll be starting the floor. Until then, I guess I'll see you guys later. Get it. Hey, I just wanted to bring you back to show you this. So when I do clean up my paint sprayer, I have, this was a new bucket of primer, and that was the old bucket I had. I'm gonna end up pouring the old stuff in with the new stuff. So I get this filter bag here. I'm gonna put it over the bucket. I'm doing this one-handed because my tripod. Just put it over like that, and then I'll dump. This is a mixture of old stuff and new stuff. Just pour it in there. Let it drip, and then if there was any chunks or anything in the old stuff, it'd be at the bottom. If anything. I don't think there was much though, because the sprayer didn't get clogged up or anything, so that's good. And once this is empty, I'll use this bucket to help me clean out my actual sprayer. That should be good enough. And then with this, you just take it off, lift it up and drain. I'm going to, I should have got closer to the garbage can. There you go. Once that's all drained, you can see there's a little bit of stuff in the bottom of that, just the chunks and everything. I just throw it in the garbage. Alright, just want to show you guys that. Now it's all ready for the next time, and it's a mixture of fresh stuff and old stuff, but it's primer. It's good to go. But it is looking good. I have those plates for the vents in there as well. Just don't have any actual tools in here. I was going to put them in, but I'm going to wait. But yeah, customer's really happy. I put those things in too, the cover plates for the cleanouts. Just one more time and sand off anything that is a little bit furry from the spray. I just won't touch any areas that are still wet. Alright guys, till Monday. We'll see you then. And yeah, it's flooring day Monday. That'll be fun. All this flooring just to put in. Depending on when I finish that, I can then install these two doors. Once those doors are in, it's going to actually look like something, so just all finishing from here. Part I like. Alright guys, see you then. Get it.